Today I am going to show some experiments on the properties of light. We know the first property of light is the rectilinear propagation of light. That is, light travels in a straight line. I have taken here one light ray, which is, you can see the light ray is traveling in a straight line. Now as I am keeping one obstruction here, it is obstructing the path of light and which is making one shadow at the screen. So it proves that light always travels in a straight line. Next property of light is the reflection of light. Here I have taken one small mirror which is used as a reflecting surface. Now I am sending the light ray. You can see that the ray which is falling on the mirror is the incident ray and it is making one angle with the incident ray, which is known as angle of incidence, and you can find that angle of reflection is almost equal to the angle of incidence. As I am increasing the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection is also increasing. That means it proves that laws of reflection, that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Next property of light is the refraction property. When the light rays passes through a lens, it either converge or diverge the rays. So I have taken three rays of light which I am allowing to pass through a convex lens. And you can see how lovely the rays are getting converged at a point, and this point is known as the focus, which is the converging point of the three rays of light. Next, the same experiment I am performing with a concave lens. You can see how nicely the rays are getting diverted from each other, and it is also known as a diverging lens. It is a concave lens. Our next experiment is to show how the rays are passing through a glass slab. If you are allowing the light rays passing through a glass slab, you can see this is the original path of the ray of light, but as it is passing through a glass slab, it is deviated from its original path, and this deviation is known as lateral deviation. You can see it is deviated from its original path. Okay. Next, let us observe what happens if the light rays are passing through a glass prism. Can you see how lovely the light rays are getting? It is bending from its original path. Now you can find out for two different rays like red light and for blue light, the deviations are different. Red light deviates the least and the blue light deviates the most.